In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add USDC to your Phantom wallet. First things first, you'll need to open the Phantom app on your device. Once it's up and running, make sure you're logged into the correct account. If you're not logged in, take a moment to do so now to ensure you have access to all your crypto assets. Now that you're on your home page, you'll notice a display of all the cryptocurrencies you have previously added to your wallet. It's a handy feature that keeps track of your assets at a glance. But today, we're focusing on adding USDC, and you'll need to have USDC in your Phantom wallet to proceed with this process. To move forward, you'll want to look for the three dots typically situated on the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on those. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, you'll want to choose Manage Accounts. This section is where you can add or remove various cryptocurrencies from being displayed in your wallet. Once you've selected Manage Accounts, there's a search bar where you can type in USDC. Doing this will help you locate it quickly within the list of available tokens. After finding USDC, you'll see a toggle button next to it. Simply turn this toggle button on. It's a straightforward action that enables the display of USDC directly on your home page. Now, you might notice that USDC isn't immediately appearing on your home page. This absence could be due to not having any USDC in your Phantom wallet at the moment. Unlike some other apps, Phantom only displays tokens in which you have a balance, ensuring a cleaner and more organized view of your assets. If you currently have USDC, turning on the toggle will make it visible instantly. After completing these steps, USDC should now be proudly displayed on your homepage alongside your other cryptos. It's a simple yet effective way to keep track of your USDC holdings and manage them effortlessly. If at any time you decide you don't want to see USDC listed, you can always revisit the Manage Accounts section and toggle it off. And there you have it. Whether you need to monitor your USDC balance or just like having a comprehensive view of all your holdings, adding USDC to your Phantom wallet is a straightforward process that ensures your crypto portfolio is complete and up to date. Thank you for watching today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to check our channel for more informative guides and tips.